depends wherever you are in the world. You're back here with Chriso, and I thought I'd take some time to run you through some just investing into Bitcoin. You've seen my other videos of how to start a CoinSpot account. You just go to get started, run through all that. Everything you need to know is in the link tree, which is just below the video. So there's that video there. We come down and we hit this single code here, the single link. It'll go to a link tree. On the very top of the link tree will be the link to get into here to start your own account, and make sure we use this referral code. That will really help the channel. Now, again, I'm not a financial advisor in any of this, but what I'd just like to show people is lots of people hearing about Bitcoin on more and more and more, and they're like, no, I don't have a lot of money to invest and all these sorts of things. I'd just like to show you some dollar cost averaging in Bitcoin. Now, dollar cost averaging, what that means is we, on a weekly or monthly or fortnightly, whatever basis you want, I've just put weekly here. What we do is we put a nominated amount, say 5, 10, 20, 50, $50 into an account. It doesn't matter. Same thing happens with Bitcoin and shares. Now, why it's called dollar cost averaging? Yes, this price is going to go up and down and up and down and up and down. Right? That's what Bitcoin does. That's what shares do. But if we put the same amount in on a weekly or fortnightly or monthly basis, keep it done religiously, what happens is that our money enters the market and it all averages out. We buy sometimes high, we buy sometimes low, it all averages out. You understand what I mean? So that's dollar cost averaging. Now, I found this little graph here, thanks to BTC.com. Now, these guys have done us a little chart here, and we're putting $10 a week in, and let's just say we were doing this for 6 months. Okay, that's all. Now, our total investment would have been $270, quite easy, but our return was 825. Return of 205. Yes, we've just gone through, and we still are going through this nice bull market, and all these things are wonderful. But if what I'm trying to illustrate is that's a better return than you would ever get from a bank, isn't it? Hands down. All we need to do is start investing. If we did $20 a week, it's over $1,000. Let's say we were doing this for a year. We had been doing this for the past year. Okay, obviously our chart changes, and then we put in 1,000 and we've got 4,700. So a lot of people ask me, when's the best time to buy Bitcoin? Well, the best time was back when it was 11 cents each. But the second best time is now, is just start. Just get the ball rolling. That's all we need to do. Now, there's going to be some other follow-up videos happening quite soon on core compounding. Now, that's a different strategy that we're going to look at as to how to increase our Bitcoin even more. Okay, with the highs and the lows of what happens. That'll be in another detailed video. Okay, so the link to start your own account at CoinSpot will be the very first link you come to at the bottom of any one of my videos. Okay, here's the latest video on QBTech, another fabulous program. I'm not going to go into that right now, but if we hit on the link tree, it'll bring this up. Now, the very first link we come to, all we need to do is hit that, remembering this code 4AMDM6. Okay, we hit on that code, it will take us over to CoinSpot, and then we can get started and create our account. Super easy. Okay, so the very first link you come to, don't even have to hit show more. The very first link under the video. If you're on mobile, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see that link and follow the same procedure. If this video was at all helpful, please do consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. and hit the little notification bell so you can be notified as soon as new videos come out. If it is at all entertaining and informative for you, if you could share it around amongst your friends, that would be fantastic. Thank you, and bye for now.